Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix no service on iPhone. So guys, if your phone is showing no service and you don't know what to do in order to fix that, then this video is for you. So guys, you can just make some routine checks first. Just go ahead and open Control Center and turn on and turn off the airplane mode. And you can also make sure you're connecting to Wi-Fi like this, and you can also choose to forget the network and connect again. If it's still not working, you can also choose to restart your device, or you can also choose to restart your Wi-Fi router. You can also go ahead and open settings and go to general and check for software update. Sometimes that can also hinder your network. If you're using, you can also go ahead and turn it off. And if all of these are still not working, then you can just go ahead and contact Apple and submit an appeal. So guys, that should do it. This is how you can fix no service in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.